Good morning, students. So this video is for class 8 students. So it is exercise 2.2, exercise 2.2, question number 8. Okay, so you see this question written: three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. So first of all, written three consecutive integers. So three consecutive integers we can declare many way. You see, just I am showing here. So you can declare this way also. See, suppose I am considering 1, 2 and 3. If you consider this one is x, this one is x, so just you express second one in terms of first one. You see, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So firstly you are declaring this one is what? X. So this one is x, then plus 1, x plus 1. Then this one also you express in terms of first one. See, like this, 1 plus 2. Then 1 we have declared as x, so we can write x plus 2. So this way we can declare three consecutive means serially, that means just adjacent with each other. That means after 1 2, after 2 3, after 3 4, like that, serially. That is called consecutive. So we can declare this way also: x, x plus 1, x plus 2. Or suppose I am declaring like this: 1 2 then 3. Then middle one I am declaring x, suppose. So now we have to express before 2 there is what? 1 we have to express in terms of 2. You see, like this, 2 minus 1, like this we have to express. Then 2 we have declared x, so 2 in the place of 2 you write x, so x minus 1. Okay, in terms of 2 we are expressing 1, that means 2 minus 1 equal to 1. That means 2 we have declared as x, so in the place of 2 we have written x, so x minus 1. And after 2 there is 3 we can express in terms of 2, like this. See, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, so 2 we have declared, that one is x, so x minus 1. So like this also we can declare x minus 1, x, and x minus 1, x minus 1, x, it should be not minus, it should be plus 2 plus 1, so it is x plus 1, x minus 1 comma x, x plus 1. This way also we can declare. Or another way also we can declare, if you consider, suppose last number, suppose last number I'm writing, see, suppose last number, suppose 1 2 3, last number, suppose x, that 3 I am declaring x, suppose. Then in terms of 3 I can express 2, 3 minus 1, then I can express 1, 3 minus 2. So 3 is x, so in the place of 3 we can write x minus 1, in the place of 3 we can write x, and then this one is minus 1. Then in the place of 3 we can write x, then this one is minus 2. Like this also we can express three consecutive integers. So in this question written three consecutive integers, so we are declaring let the three consecutive integers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2. So first declaration finish. Now you see, integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order, so we are taking in increasing order, okay. So increasing order means 1 2 3, so increasing order wise taking. If there is not written increasing order, so any way we can take, either you can take x, x plus 1 or x plus 2, or you can take x minus 1, x, x plus 1, or you can take x minus 2, this one, x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1 and x. So three way we can consider if there is not written increasing order. There is written increasing order, that's why we are considering first one only, small to big, x, x plus 1, x plus 2, like that we are declaring. Then there is written multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively, multiplied by 2, 3, 4 respectively. That means these three integer we have to multiply by 2, first one multiply by 2, second one multiply by 3, and third one multiply by 4. After that we have to add serially. So just you see sum of the integers after multiplication of 2, 3, 4 gradually means serially. So they are sum addition value means what? Addition value is 74. So just you write down as a mathematical statement after multiplying 2 with the first one, 3 with the second one, and 4 with the third one, then adding serially to get 74. So it is the given expression which we have written mathematically. After that just you solve it. 2x plus 3 into x thrice x, 3 into 1 3, 4 into x 4x, plus into plus plus, 4 to the 8. Then you see 2x 3x 4x, these three are like terms, so we can add 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, so 9x, and here we are getting 3 plus 8 equal to 11, so 9x plus 11 equal to 74. So now we have to find the value of x, so we have to remove that 11 from left side, so we are subtracting this. 11 is written plus 11, this term is positive, so we are subtracting minus 11 from both side to eliminate 11. So 11 minus 11 equal to 0, so we are cutting 11 minus 11, and 74 minus 11 equal to 63, then 9x equal to 9x. Okay, now see 9x equals 63, so our target is what? We have to find x value, so we have to remove 9, so 9 into x equal to 63, that means these two are the factors of 63. So factors, we can say that factors are divisor, but all the divisors may not be factor. So we can shift 9, or we can divide both side by 9. So we are dividing both side by 9, so 9 cut, then x equal to 63 by 9 cut, you will get 7, so x equal to 7. After getting x value, we have to write what? Written find these numbers. Find these numbers means after multiplication of 2, 3, 4 serially with these integers, whatever number we are getting, from that number we have to find out the required numbers. So just we have written 2x, then 3 into x plus 1, this one second one, and 4 into x plus 2, this one third one, and there just you put x value and do the calculation. Serially you will get 7 2s are 14. Then here you see x value, we have put that one 7 plus 1 8, 8 3s are 24, and then x value is 7 plus 2 9, 9 4s are 36. So these three are the required numbers which we need to find according to these questions. So next problem is question number 9. Question number 9, you see the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. So it is the ratio of their ages. So suppose I am considering two age. Suppose one person age is 13 years, another person age is 26 years. So after cutting 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26, that means these two age ratio is 1:3. so it is the ratio is the lowest form of the original ratios, so it is the lowest form na. So actually 13 years and 20 years are the actual age, but after cutting their ratio is 1:2. So like that one ratio there is given 5:7, and this ratio wise we have to find out the actual present age of Rahul and Harun. So we don't know that what is the actual age of Rahul and Harun, so just we are assuming that one. That is what, let the present age of Rahul and Harun be 5x and 7x. That means we are declaring this age on the basis of given ratio 5:7. So 5x and 7x. So written 4 years later. 4 years later means it is pointing the future. It is pointing the future. That means after 4 years their age will be. Okay, so 4 years later means we have to add 4 with the present age. These two are the present age according to given ratio. 5x and 7x are the present age. 5x is the present age of Rahul and 7x is the present age of Harun. So after 4 years written, so we have written what after 4 years according to question. After 4 years, 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. Then why given here plus sign? Because there is written the sum of their ages after 4 years. The sum means plus of their ages. That means after 4 years what will be their present age? What will be their present age? Okay, so their present age, what will be the age after 4 years? So after 4 years their age is 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4, and these two age addition value is equal to 56. That is written. So sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present ages? So what are their present ages? So just to solve this problem, see 5x plus 7x, so plus into plus plus, 5x plus 7x equal to 12x, and then plus 4, then plus into plus plus, so plus 4, 4 plus 4, 8. So first of all we have to remove 8. First of all we have to remove 8. So this one is plus 8, so we are subtracting 8 from both side. We are subtracting 8 from both sides. So minus 8, then plus 8 minus 8 cancel, then 12x equal to 56 minus 8 equal to 48. So our target is we have to find x value, so we have to remove this 12. So that's why both side divided by 12 to remove this 12. So cut, this 12 is already removed, that means it is eliminated. So x equal to 48 cut by 12 getting 4, so x equal to 4, so x value 4. Now the present age of Rahul is 5x, so x value 4, 4 5s are 20 years. The present age of Harun is 7x, so it is equal to 7 into 4, x value is 4, equal to 28 years. So like this, two problem is solved in this video. It is for class 8 students. So thank you very much for your cooperation.